Clyde House is part of the luxury Osier development built by Barratt in Wandsworth. It has been badly managed by the housing association A2Dominion since it was built in 2013. Even though Clyde House looks nice from the outside like the other blocks, the inside of our building has deteriorated into shocking conditions, and we have experienced segregation from the rest of the development just because we live in Clyde House. Our children are getting sick and our homes are unsafe.
This building in general, I've had a look at it, it's not just a fire risk issue, there's also health and safety issues. The construction behind this building isn't amazing.
With all the issues that are going on now, as a landlord, you are in breach. I got sent a letter about the repairs. Right next to that letter, we're taking more money out for your rent. Yeah. What am I paying for?
Enough is enough. We are taking action against rogue social landlord, A2Dominion, and property developer, Barratt. All will be exposed.
We have come together and we've got a list. If it takes for you knocking over this building and starting again and using better materials, that's what you're going to need to do, because you're not going to put our lives at risk. Grenfell just happened and we are not going to be Grenfell number 2. Do you understand?
Absolutely do understand.
Thank you.
We are setting up a resident association and making this documentary. A documentary made by the residents for the residents. These are our stories.